I have a couple of points to add to that. I can dissect that into a couple of different separate points. I think number one is if everything else stays equal, being faster and cheaper is always better. Yeah. That itself does not create more risk. What's the risk there is, it's just faster will make it appear faster to happen. But if banks are fractional reserves, so if the bank doesn't have enough money, just because people can withdraw money faster, that's just going to expose the problem faster. But making it slower doesn't solve that problem. It just means more consumers couldn't withdraw when they want to withdraw, so they're stuck. That doesn't solve any problems. So if everything else stays the same, technology that makes things cheaper, faster is always better. On the Silicon Valley Bank, when you describe the question, in the crypto industry, we have a different kind of rumors or feel to it. The bank may or may not be in trouble, but our impression is that the bank is very crypto friendly. It may have been shut down by Operation 2.0 back in 2023. I'll also give another example that happened to Binance. In December 2023, this is after the FTX went down, after Luna UST, after this is before Silicon Valley Bank actually. In one day, there was maximum withdrawal of $7 billion equivalent of assets from Binance.com. No issues. In that week, there was a few days before that, it was up like a couple hundred million, a billion, and then 7 billion, and then a billion. In that week, total $14 billion worth of assets got withdrawn from the platform. No issues. In a bank, I don't know of any bank that can handle that. So when the term bank run, it's mainly because the design of banks are fractional reserves. When you have a fractional reserve system, then you have this liquidity issue. So that comes down to the systematic design of the system, not so much AI. So that's kind of my view. Yeah. The AI does have the problem of synchronized action, potentially, but I think that's a very small, we're looking at a very small thing to blame the entire problem on.